Today we're going to do a Lightning Night screen protector install on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The contents that you will receive in the package: the screen protector itself, dust absorber, guide sticker, squeegee, alcohol wipe, dry wipe, microcloth, and we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. You are protected by LK No Hassle Lifetime Replacement Warranty as well. So let's go ahead and do the install. Please follow all the steps correctly so you will get the best out of the Lightning Night screen protector. First, I'm going to take one of the guide stickers and I'm going to place it right about here on the screen protector. Now what we want to do is make sure that the cutouts are right over the top of the proper areas at the top of the display of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So we want to make sure that you can see the earpiece and the camera and the sensors. And then as soon as everything is completely aligned, we're going to pull back the guide sticker to the back of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Okay, so everything is aligned there. Try your best to get it as perfect as possible. Okay, then we're going to take another guide sticker and place it towards the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to flip the screen protector itself. Going to get the alcohol wipe, and we are going to wipe down the display of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Wipe off everything really nice. Okay, nice and clean. And we're going to take the microcloth and make sure we dry that up really nice. And to make sure everything is off of the Note 8, this beautiful Super AMOLED display, we're going to take the Lightning Night dust absorber. I'm going to get along the sides here. And then we're going to peel back the first layer of the screen protector. And we want to pull this as tight as possible, taking the squeegee might have to just play around with it to make sure it's aligned. You can use your squeegee right off the bat, or you can press down with your fingers just to make sure we get a perfect alignment. And that looks pretty darn close. And we can squeegee all the way down. And then what you want to do is press along the sides with your fingers. You are going to have a few bubbles that you'll have to work out. Be patient. Take your time. Don't rush the process. And then we're going to remove the first guide sticker. Peel that back. And again, Hardly any bubbles at all. Take your time. You can take your microcloth and wipe. Make sure you're pushing down, getting some of those air bubbles out. Everything looking really, really good. Again, taking your time, be patient. And that looks really, really good. There are a few air bubbles here, but as you work them out, everything will start to come together and it'll look really, really nice. And there you go. That is the Lightning Knight screen protector install.